On number 8, I'm trying to solve the trig equation, and I don't need to really move anything around, but I do need to take the square root of both sides to get rid of that square. So this will be tangent of theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. So I need to look at where on the unit circle is y over x equal to plus or minus square root of 3. So let's look at pi over 3. If I take the y value, which is square root of 3 over 2, and divide that by 1/2, well, a fraction divided by a fraction is the first fraction multiplied by the reciprocal of the other one. So these 2's would cancel out, and that would give you square root of 3. So the same kind of thing is going to happen really anywhere we have the denominator of 3. So pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3. So some of these, when you do the division, you'll get a positive square root of 3. Sometimes you'll get a negative, but because we're looking for where is it plus or minus square root of 3, we want all of those. So pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.